I know I'm in the same thing, but I literally just got this package while I was in the middle of doing my last video. Y'all. Okay, maybe I should have opened it before I start rolling. But, well, obviously I know what it is already because I'm probably going to put the clip of me in them before I even do all of this. Another squash tie. Look, I don't care what nobody say. This shoe is just like, it's really nice. It's A1. I love it. Okay, so now since I already had the other pair of the Summit White, and you know I got to wear them a little bit or whatnot, they are so comfortable. They are really good, nice, you know, casual shoe to have and to wear. And navy blue is one of my colors. I'm in love with navy blue, so this right here is even better, because in my last video, I'll make sure I link it, when I first talked about this shoe, it was between the Summit White and this pair, but ultimately I decided on that one, and I think it was because it was a little bit cheaper. But now this one was on sale, and I was able to get it for under $55. And so I'm excited about that. So not only do I like it, but I also got it on sale, and it's a win-win. So I just wanted to do that video so I could show y'all again, like, I got the one that I wanted, and I got the other pair that I wanted. And I don't know, I might keep this momentum going. I might purchase another pair if I feel like I really like it. But I own the two that I really wanted, and so that's it. So let me know in the comments if y'all all the people that see my other video or said that they were probably going to get a pair or whatnot, if you happen to see this video right now, let me know if you ever did end up getting them, how they feel to you, how they look to you, and if you're thinking about getting another pair as well. But I'm telling you, that Summit White and this navy blue pair right here, it's a go. So that's it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully y'all keep coming back to see my other videos that I'll be dropping, and I'll just see y'all in my next one.